Go, go, go.
Come on, Adam. Come on,
Get
Edge.
up there, Adam.
Let's go, Brian.
Nice.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to some exciting ladder racing action tonight. We've got the Reckless Rhinos taking on the Rivet Grit, Ron and Rick's team. In the lineup tonight for Reckless, we've got Edge, Adam Lyons, Adam Rock, Mark, and myself. The course we're going to be racing on is bridges and boardwalks, 3 laps, and the power-up is going to be Arrow. So, always a very challenging race against the Grit boys, and yeah, tonight will be no different than any other race against them. They are a very challenging team, and the course tonight we actually picked, so whether it's an advantage or not, can't really say, but yeah. So, as always, stick around to the end for the race wrap-up, and ride on. Oh, 10 seconds.
Yeah, what's up with that? The level of privacy.
I don't know. Like, it doesn't really matter. Like, all you see is, like, what you've ridden lately. Like, anyways.
Look, guys.
There you go, Rock. All right. Weird. Okay, there we go. That was kind of strange. I wasn't moving my head. It was like weird. Like I was moving, but it just was like I wasn't catching up to you guys. It was kind of strange. Yeah. Ron is another captain that likes to sort of control the pace for his riders too, so. Hey, Steven.
Hey guys, doing good?
Yeah, just started.
Good evening. Oh, just got done watching Rowdy kick ATP's butt.
Busy night.
Nice. It was a tight one.
Did they win?
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
I
nice.
think it's 31-24.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys just got started.
Yeah, we started at 8 o'clock tonight. Late start time.
Okay. Good deal.
We'll take a little turn here, Edge.
Yeah, no worries. So it's just Arrow, right?
Yes, yep.
Yep.
So it's here in the top at the sprint, at the top of the climb, right?
Yep.
Okay, get over, Ryan. Get over in the draft. Adam's got the right idea. Perfect spot, Adam.
Oh yeah.
Good job, Mark. Good job, Rock. Edge.
Sorry, what is it? What is it? Power up wise?
Arrow.
Just arrow. Oh,
Just arrow.
On the arrow.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So get one there
Do we
and
get
then one
another
at the
one
top.
at the top?
Yes,
At
sir.
the top, yeah. Or well, just before the top, the sprint, and then we go up a little bit more.
And then lap banner as well?
Yep.
Or no?
Exactly, yeah. What we just went through is the lap banner.
Gotcha.
That's the finish line then, right, Edge? That when we just came through? Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Sit in.
Like a moth to a flame. Ryan in the front.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Just don't
Way
let
to
it
give him a drop.
No, it's not my intention, Mark. We were doing like 2 there, so it's...
Pretty slow.
This one I need to slide back between there, behind their 3 riders. Let Edge. Yeah. There you go, guys. Perfect. This is what you want. If we're on the front,
Eric's coming past you.
this isn't the actual climb though, right, Edge? No.
Not yet, not yet.
Jesus. Slowing right down. Lots of draft, guys. Lots of draft. Draft, Mark.
Good job, guys. Shit.
Easy rock, easy rock. Save your energy. It kicks up again, the right edge after the blue.
Yep.
Yeah, who picked this course? Must have been Mark.
Yeah. Yeah, you know it was me. I love to climb so much.
I know. So there's a power up here edge, I guess, yeah.
At this banner up here, yeah,
Oh, okay.
on the bridge.
I was thinking at the top of the... Doing great, guys. They are a team that likes to push over the top of, like, push over the top of, and get a run down a climb too. Sometimes they're heavyweight. Want to see if it stretches a bit here, Edge, or no?
No, we still got 2 laps to go.
Okay. We don't drop our guys either.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, guys.
Edge, my drafting hero.
Looks like you guys are stringing out pretty far there in the back.
I know, I noticed that.
It's okay. You guys are good. You're going to catch up. No reason to push past them to catch up. Just draft behind them.
There you go, guys. Good job. Good job. Good job, Mark. Lots of draft here, lots of draft. Oh. Did you do it?
No worries, no worries.
Okay. So yeah, stay in there. Oh, super. Oh, never mind. Breathe. Lots of recovery here. Lots of draft. I was actually picturing a different course for some reason. Is there another one sort of similar to this one? This wasn't the one I was thinking of, I don't think.
Yeah, I think you're thinking of Fine and Sandy.
Oh, maybe I am.
God, no.
Because it
No. Not no, but hell no. 4 times up that stupid corkscrew.
Wait, you don't like that?
No. No, not at all. Although Stefan ate it up last night. Man, that was awesome. I don't know what it is about the Scottish routes. I like those for some stupid reason. I don't know why.
Remember, use your power-ups.
I should be getting another power up here at the banner.
Yep.
Yeah, I was thinking of the course where you climb and then there's a sprint at the very top.
Yeah, it's the other direction.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay. How's everybody feeling? Okay. Pretty chill so far.
Yeah. I'm digging this so far, but I have a feeling this next climb it's going to stretch out.
Have any of the riders been dangling a little bit? I haven't really noticed.
Eric, you kinda a little, but not really.
Okay.
He's just sitting in the draft. Sometimes I saw him go to 7 meters off the back, but
All
he's probably just sitting in the draft. And
He's like 1.8,
yeah, then he picks it up a little, catches back on, then he sits in again.
Okay.
Yeah.
But he's been in the back the whole time. Nothing wrong with the back.
Smart guy.
Nothing wrong with the back if you're still in the group.
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah, he's just chilling at the back here. Was he their lightest rider? Does anybody know? Or
I don't know, he was the late addition.
He's the only light one.
okay, he's probably saving to go on one of these climbs then, probably.
I don't think he had particularly high power though.
Oh, you say he was a gold, right? Oh yeah. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
Okay. But Ron's also a gold, and he's pretty strong. So
The only one who didn't have any ladder data was Dyer.
good job, Adam.
Thanks.
Well, it's not negative degrees. I actually have to turn the fan on. Hey, Paul.
Hey, what's going on?
TV.
I'll let the guy pass you.
Okay, let's get Edge and Rock back on, Adam.
Yep. Just following him, making sure.
Come on, Rock.
On rock right on my wheel.
Guys.
They see this.
Yep.
Oh. Ah.
You guys got
No,
it.
I'm probably,
Keep
I'm
pushing.
probably just. Oh. I'm dead.
I'm trying to slow him up at the front.
Use your power up.
Sprint on if you can. If you're off.
Who's M? Who's M? Who's that?
Sorry. Mark.
Murphy.
Mark. All right.
Yeah.
Mark, you really got to push up, man. They're going to keep the heat on you until you catch up or drop.
Yeah. Gotta catch my breath.
I know you are. You just got to push, catch them. Then you can take a break.
7 seconds.
The downhill's your friend.
Keep going, Mark. You're only 6 seconds.
Come on, Mark, you got it.
You got it, Mark.
Yep.
You got it, buddy.
Push, push, push. Use your arrow if you have to catch up.
4 seconds, Mark. You're doing great, boy. You're doing great. As soon as you catch, it'll let off.
3
You got it,
seconds.
Murphy. Come on.
Come on, Mark.
Come
You
on.
got it. We're right here.
Dig deep. Dig deep.
Two seconds. 30 meters.
Mark.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
You got it, man.
They're off the
10
gas.
seconds.
They're off the gas.
Just latch on. Just latch on.
You got it. Oh my gosh. Great job, Mark. You
Right
got it,
there.
buddy. Sit in. Sit
Come
in.
on.
Sit in.
Almost there, almost there.
Wow.
Let's push. Yeah. Awesome.
Great work, Murphy.
Good job, Mark.
I apologize, Mark. That was my bad.
Oh, fuck.
That was my bad.
Oh, fuck.
I'm sorry.
Oh, my God.
You got it. Lots of downhill.
Come on,
Lots
Mark.
of draft. Lots of draft.
Come on, Mark. Get down.
Breathe. Breathe. Breathe.
Deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Deep breaths. As you're breathing out, compress the abs, push out all that bad air and get all good air in. It'll help with cramps or anything, a bad feeling.
Jeez, I just dropped my heart rate 40 beats. Edge, thanks.
You're welcome.
Like 180 down to 140.
Lessons of a runner.
Yes. Control your breathing. Yes. Do those nose strip things you see people use, do those help at all? I guess if you have a deviated septum or something like that, or
It opens your
I
nose.
have a deviated.
Yeah.
yeah.
It helps.
Okay.
I have a deviated septum. It helps.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm particularly bad today because I haven't raced in like 2 weeks because I had a sinus.
Oh, sinus infection? Oh, yeah.
So I thought it might be back, but nah, because I was dead in the second time, and we weren't even going that fast.
Well, we'll try to get you. Hear it.
Get some more fitness in. Well, if you really pedal slow, we can catch up to you on the lap.
Actually, I'm like shocked. My heart is to like 136 right now. Like that's like I know there's quite a downhill section there, but Jesus.
Downhill. We weren't really doing anything on the downhill.
No, I know.
They weren't pushing.
No.
Who you guys racing? I know it's OTR, but who is it?
Grit. They're above us.
Grit. Oh, good job.
Yeah, they're a tough opponent. I think they had some amateurs. They didn't
Your
come in.
rankings don't matter. Yeah,
Yeah.
they're strong.
Oh yeah. I raced many times with Ron.
We're strong. We're strong too, though.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We got a
gotta-
great lineup.
Keep wins.
We got a great lineup.
Goodness.
I will not forget to use my power up this time, because I will not be talking. I didn't use it the last lap.
Oh.
What's the spread for between you guys and Rowdy? Is it a big spread or just a small spread?
Yeah, it's a big one.
It's big now.
It
It
might be
was
like
yeah.
12
9
or something.
Yeah, 9 or maybe 10. Yeah. It was within 6 at one point, but that didn't last long.
Oh, what?
Or 7. Sorry, it was within 7.
I used my power up after the banner like an idiot.
Uh-oh.
Passed out and clicked live.
Oh shit.
All right.
So what are you thinking?
You
Itch,
don't
for
need
this?
it. You don't need it for the climb. You just need it for the sprint at the end.
Yep.
What are you thinking?
I don't know.
Obviously, we want to keep Mark on this time up the climb, and
Yeah.
that was my bad.
I mean,
I apologize.
if they do the same that they just did, it's going to be tough.
Y'all do
try
that.
gang-
Don't worry. Don't worry about me. I'll try. I'll do my
dangling
best.
there.
but-
And then just punching it.
Yeah. I mean, we can out sprint them if it comes down to the sprint at the end, but we got to be with them at the end.
Exactly. EU is still on the back.
Yep.
And really, in this situation, it's 4 on 5. So really, why would we go on the front anyways, right? So
Yeah. Unless we know one of us can get away because they may not chase one,
yeah,
knowing it's 1 point.
I know.
But-
Yeah.
I really don't think any of us want to be that one to get away.
Yeah. No,
No.
not going to help the rest of us.
No,
Nada.
especially if they chase.
Yeah. $5K. So the pace really slows down. Like right now, it's like shit. Like what's gonna happen? You got this, Mark. You got it, Mark.
Yep.
Let Mark lead us up if you want a second.
Yep. Set the pace.
Doing awesome, Mark.
Keep going. Keep pushing, Mark. We're picking it up.
No, go ahead.
You got it, Edge.
Good job.
Power
Use your
up
power
coming
ups.
up if you haven't used it.
All right. 3K.
1, 2, 3, boys.
What's the plan, Edge?
Get behind him.
All right.
I'll run the downhill. Let me take him in the sprint.
All right. Lots of time to recover. Wayne, hey.
Hey, go get him, Brian.
Try. I was really expecting him to push over that and try to get away, but didn't happen. Drink. Well, full house. Standing room only. Hey, Luke.
Hey.
We need to harness everybody in the bleachers sprint power tonight.
Yeah, all three guys
Okay.
got to come in first, second, third. First, second, third.
2K.
Save up.
Got it.
What are you thinking when to hit the arrow edge? Like it lasts for quite a while, right? Or no?
I mean, it doesn't last for that long. 15 seconds.
Okay. So about like 300 meters.
This sprint will be about 18. I mean, it'll be basically the whole sprint
Okay.
from the green to the finish.
Okay. But we wait as long as possible, right? To go by we sit on the wheels for as long as possible, right?
Yep. Just watch
Think
them
he's gonna-
attacking up.
Bomb through from the back. Keeps dangling, putting like a few meters between us.
148.
Alright, you guys got this. Come on.
You got to finish 1-2. Go get him.
800 meters.
Gallows starting to pick up a little.
Going. Gallows going.
Go, go, go.
Come on, Adam. Come on,
Get up
Ed.
there, Adam.
Let's go, Brian.
Nice.
Come on.
Brian, you got it.
5. Keep pushing.
Come on, Eds.
Got this.
Keep pushing. You got 300 meters.
Shit.
Come on,
you got it.
keep pushing.
You
You
got
need
it.
1-2. You need 1-2. Keep going.
Come on, Eds. Get up there.
Oh, fuck.
There he goes.
Too far.
Come on, Brian.
You got
Come on,
it,
Brian.
guys. You
Come on,
got
Brian.
it. Keep pushing.
Come on,
Almost
Brian.
there.
Don't
Almost
give up.
there. Give me the check.
One more dig, Brian.
Good job. Good
You
job.
guys got it. You got it. 1-2-4.
Let's
That's
go.
good. You got it.
Oh shit! That means I gotta finish, huh?
Of course you
Yeah,
do.
need to finish. Yep, need those points.
Ah, why'd you have to go win the race?
Oh, shit. That was way too
Good
far out. Oh, God.
You guys go from what?
600 meters.
700 or something?
That's
Like 800, 900.
Oh, fuck. Great job, Adam. Edge, come on. Finish up, Mark. I'm done. Rock.
Yeah, you guys
Come on,
killed
Rock.
it. Amazing.
Well done, y'all.
You guys
Well
did
done.
great tonight. It was fun
Finish, Mark.
watching.
Yeah, I'm done. Okay,
You gotta finish up, Rock. Okay, you got it, buddy. All right, race wrap-up time. Well, first off, want to thank Ron, captain of OTR Grit, for the race tonight. Well, what can we say? The course, 3 laps. We picked the course for tonight's race because we were challenging OTR because they're higher on the ladder. Bridges and boardwalks, 3 laps. So obviously, there's the climbing sort of section there. It's not considered a KOM or anything like that, but there is the climb. Pace really wasn't overly fast going up the climb. Second time up, I believe it was Mark slipped a little bit off the pace sort of thing, was the second time up. Anyways, there was one point we tried to get Mark back on and he made it back on. Boy, oh boy, he put in a huge dig. Managed to get back onto our group there. And then the last time up the climb, he basically went on the front and sort of was able to control the pace going up. I think it was maybe the first lap that Rock sort of slid a little bit off, but he's not been feeling well. He's coming back from being sick, so not too surprising on a course like that tonight to try to be able to stick with the group on the climb. And but hey, every point matters. So as you saw, Rock finished up the race and got our final point there for tonight. So Mark did bridge back up, huge dig, got back on, but then the last time up the climb, he slid off a little bit back. And so it was basically Edge, Adam, myself coming down to the sprint. Now, you know I'm not a big sprinter. I'm trying to get there, but I'm not. So their one rider went really early there. What was it, 600 meters or something? Kind of triggered me. I used my power up, went. Adam was in front of me there. And I came around that last corner there. Couldn't even see the banner yet at 600 meters, like 500 meters. Still couldn't see it. Come around the corner, I'm like, oh crap. I'm like, there's still like, I don't know, 200 meters to go. And I'm like, I'm out of gas because I just blew all my energy. So I struggled to get over the line. We managed to get first, second, and I picked up fourth. Mark picked up, I guess Mark was 9th and Rock was 10th, I believe then. Was that the final placement? I believe that was the final placement for tonight. So, believe we had enough points there to pick up the W. We'll post up the final score. You know, we love racing. Ron over there at OTR Grit, always a great lineup that they bring to these races. Tonight was no different. And I believe, let's see, do we have a rematch against them next week? No, not them. We're racing TFC Mutants and the Dirty Aces, that's right. That's the races for next week. So hope you enjoyed the action tonight. Fun race as always. Everybody having a great time. Lots of people in the bleachers tonight. Paul was in there. Luke was in there. Wayne was in there. Oh gosh, who else was in there? Steven was in there. Lots of people. They all come out to watch. Great time hanging out, the Rhino squad. So, long-winded outro tonight. Hope you enjoyed the action. So as always, subscribe, like, comment, come back anytime, and ride on.
Brian, I can't wait to watch the video now. How tired you sound.
I kind of blew up at about probably, what was it, Edge? 200 meters you passed me? 200 meters probably? I don't know.
Yeah.
It
was
was
about
200?
when you should have started your sprint.